Hello, I'm Michael Brandt. Here's a story that serves as a reminder that before we start or restart work, it's important to double check our plan to make sure that we are ready to perform this work safely.
I was on site to perform work for the first time since the shelter in place. The subcontractor was on site as well as my technician. We were all there to perform a startup of the equipment and then run a process. But an unexpected issue occurred where a water tank started to overflow. The drain line broke clean off during the process, and there was potential for 50 gallons of water to flood the area. I wasn't sure who was allowed to perform the switching, although I did know that the power needed to be cut off for safety. And in the confusion, a subcontractor switched off the power to the autoclave instead of the person who was right next to me, who was actually trained to do this work. Unfortunately, this incident had no injuries. It was a subcontractor did a switching off and a switching on, and he didn't have the correct LBL training to perform this operation. Because there was water escaping this tank nearby an electrical panel and also coming out of a energized equipment, there definitely was potential for injury.
This story has a happy ending, but many stories in which water and electricity come together don't end well. When you're beginning a complex operation, make sure all team members are properly trained for their duties. Spend some time going over what might go wrong and have a plan B, because things don't always go as we expect them to. We want everyone who works at Berkeley Lab to go home safe and healthy each and every day. It's who we are, so please be safe out there.